My name is Ashley Anderson. I am 24 years old. I got my bachelor's in painting, minor in philosophy from Georgia Southern University. I have been keeping a sketchbook regularly since I was about 5 years old. This is my first sketchpad that I'm aware of. I was playing Nintendo, playing Legend of Zelda, and I paused it. And I drew like the heart container, the bomb, the rupee, the Octo Rock, those metal statues that come alive and chase you around. Same brand name as the kind that I still like to use. I love Strathmore sketchpads. Love them. The last time I actually took count was my sophomore year of college, and I was over 100. It's so cool. I'm seeing all this stuff like when I first started doing the video game. It's just whatever I think of. There's another caterpillar. Alice in Wonderland, Grateful Dead, a lot of the hippie stuff. Someone had asked me to design a phoenix tattoo for them. I had asked a girl out, got shot down. And this is the whole stream of the bar that night and saw my friend Dave play. Best friends from high school, his sister. For some reason she had the nickname of Turtle. And so just these sketchy lines, and then somehow it just went off of that. Ernest Hemingway in the background with a shotgun coming up behind her. There's an H.P. Lovecraft reference right there. Some of these are good. There's a Cthulhu drawing. I came up with this whole idea. It's like his whole body is sort of unraveling into tentacles. And some image I had for Happiness is a Warm Gun by the Beatles. But this weird analogy. I was sitting in Huddle House in Tyndall, Georgia. This was done that week, July 29th. Polish it off a little bit. Now these aren't women I had a crush on her, but this is just my friend Sarah. We all had classes right here together. Bruce Lee, and apparently a sketch of me just describing the wreck to someone's chest. And I would just scan things straight out of my sketchpad. I was under the impression that detail meant quality. Nearly hit. But then in this one, I like how funky it is. Like I was doing a lot of just like 2000. Summer missed the concert. College. I mean, they're fun. They're definitely entertaining. You have to know when to lay off of them. It's amusement and it's also practice. It's definitely a drain sometimes on my effort in the studio, but it's a great way to just keep your ideas down. I've met some amazing artists, and I am totally surprised that they don't keep a sketch pad. They do amazing work and they don't keep a sketch pad. I'm inclined to think that they would do better if they would keep a sketch pad. I just think it helps. If you don't have a sketch pad and you're like a visual artist, like you paint and you draw, you make prints, you even do installation, you make movies. Alfred Hitchcock kept a sketch pad. He made thumbnails. I mean, if you work in a visual medium, you need to keep some kind of visual journal. I mean, I've been doing it for 18 years, and it's helped me tremendously. So.